friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of yet another budget offering from iVoomi in India, the iVoomi i2. So a couple of months back iVoomi had announced the i1 in India, which is a budget smartphone with full view display and dual camera setup. So now we have the iVoomi i2 here for unboxing. So this device again is a budget offering, and this device comes with 4000 mAh capacity battery, and we have the detailed specifications mentioned on the back panel. We have the facial recognition, that's face unlock is included, 4000 mAh capacity battery, and we have full view display, then 18:9 aspect ratio, dual camera setup. So the display size is 5.45 inches screen resolution. It's an HD plus resolution in-cell full view display, 13+2 megapixel dual camera setup with soft flash, with Sony sensor with 5p lens and 8 megapixel selfie camera with 4p slim lens. 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and 128 gigs of storage expandable, and 4000 mAh capacity battery with 2 mAh fast charging and OTG support. Face unlock is included. It's powered by the MediaTek MT6739 quad-core chipset clocked at 1.5 GHz. It has dual VoLTE functionality. 2 VoLTE SIM can be used at the same time. That's quite good. And we also have Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box, and all the other details are mentioned here. So this is the iVoomi i2, the 4000 mAh capacity battery and full view display. So let's open the box pack. So on the top we get to see the iVoomi i2. So let's just take this out of packet. So there you go, that's the iVoomi i2. So when we unboxed the iVoomi i1, we mentioned that the back panel plastic quality was kind of not that great, but with iVoomi i2 the quality of the plastic looks better, and it feels a bit more premium in this price segment. And you can also see the dual camera setup, 13 megapixel primary camera, LED flash, and power and volume keys are on the right side. The bottom panel houses the speaker unit. The top panel has the micro USB charging slot, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the SIM tray is inside this case. So you can remove the back panel and you can use the case. So it has a dual SIM card. It's a hybrid SIM card slot on this device. So let's now boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what all comes inside the box pack. So we have this getting started guide and warranty information, and there is a screen guard also included. Then we get to see the standard charger. So let's see the voltage rating of this 5 volt 2 ampere charger, so standard charging. And then we also have a micro USB charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. So let's now see the device. So there you go, that's the iVoomi i2. So we have this full view display, 18:9 aspect ratio. The bezels are not very less. So you can see that there is considerable bezels as well, but for a budget offering this is quite decent, and the display quality actually feels quite good. You can see the viewing angles are pretty good, and the overall touch response also feels quite smooth. Now looking at the software, you can see that it's more or less like stock Android. Couple of apps from iVoomi installed, and we have UC browser and a few apps in third-party apps also included. Now let's go to the settings to see the options. So you can see that the settings panel is exactly the same as what we have seen on the stock Android. So let's see the options. You can see some gesture motion is included, and some options are included. So that's the settings of the iVoomi i2. Now talking about the processor, this is powered by the MediaTek 6739 quad-core chipset with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Now talking about the camera, so we have a dual camera setup. So let's see the camera interface. So we have video, face beauty, blur mode, and then we also have pro mode included. So blur mode is probably the bokeh mode included, as you can see that it's bokeh, and you can increase the effect of bokehs as well. Then we have the regular photo mode. Video, let's have a look at the video as well. So let's go to the settings. You can see that video quality is at 1080p resolution. Now let's go to the photography, and let's click some sample pictures to see how good the quality is. So the focusing is not very quick. So there you go. So you can see that focusing takes a lot of time, and it's not accurate as well. So here are some of the samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. Now the highlight of this device is the 4000 mAh capacity battery, which should last more than a day easily with a NHT panel. So that's one of the good highlights of this device, and also this comes with dual voltage support. So the iVoomi i1 is priced 7499, and this is a sub 8K device, and it will be competing with other smartphones in this price segment. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the iVoomi i2, which is being launched in India. It's again a budget smartphone with 18:9 aspect ratio. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.